Welcome to Tech Monetize Official. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to legally pay 0% tax on your crypto gains. Taxes might sound intimidating, but stick with me. This could save you thousands. If you love learning about tech and money, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. I'm sharing my personal journey, not theory, but exactly how I paid zero tax on my crypto profits. We'll break it down step by step, in plain English, no jargon. The goal? Empower you to keep more of your hard-earned money. Finance and taxes don't have to be confusing if you have the right guide. We'll cover the rules, how they work, and how to use them to your advantage, legally. This isn't about loopholes or risky moves. It's about smart, informed decisions. So get comfortable and let's get started. I'll show you how I went from a big tax bill to zero, and how you can too. We'll talk about the key strategies, the mistakes to avoid, and the exact steps you need to take. Ready to learn how to keep more of your crypto profits? Let's jump in and make taxes work for you. Subscribe now and let's unlock the secrets together. Here we go. Time to face the not-so-fun part, crypto taxes. In most countries, crypto is treated as property, not currency. That means every sale, trade, or even using crypto to buy something is a taxable event. For example, if you buy Bitcoin for $1,000 and sell it for $3,000, that $2,000 profit is a capital gain, and it's taxable. Even trading Bitcoin for Ethereum counts as a sale in the eyes of the IRS. Many people don't realize every trade is a taxable event, not just when you cash out to dollars. Tax agencies are getting smarter at tracking crypto, so record keeping is essential. The tax you pay depends on your income and, crucially, how long you held the crypto. Short-term gains, held less than a year, are taxed at your regular income rate. Long-term gains, held over a year, get a much better rate. Understanding this difference is the key to paying less, or even zero tax. So remember, how long you hold your crypto really matters. We'll use this to your advantage in the next steps. Let's keep going. Here's my story. I bought some crypto, forgot about it, and then the market exploded. Suddenly, my small investment turned into a big win. Excited, I sold a chunk and transferred the money to my bank. I started dreaming about vacations and donations until tax season hit. My accountant called, "You sold too soon. That's a short-term capital gain." Short-term gains are taxed at your regular income rate. Ouch. A huge chunk of my profit went straight to the government. I realized I'd made a rookie mistake by not thinking about the tax consequences. Making money is only half the battle. Keeping it is the other half. That painful lesson set me on a mission to find a smarter, legal way. I learned that timing is everything when it comes to taxes. If I'd just waited a bit longer, I could have kept much more. That's when I discovered the power of long-term capital gains. Let's talk about how that changed everything. After my tax shock, I dug deep into the rules. The big discovery? Hold your crypto for over a year and your gains become long-term. Long-term capital gains are taxed at much lower rates, sometimes even 0% if your income is low enough. This isn't a loophole. It's built into the tax code to reward patient investors. The income threshold for 0% changes each year, so always check the latest numbers. My mistake wasn't selling, it was selling too soon. With this knowledge, my entire strategy shifted. I started planning not just what to buy, but when to sell. Timing became my secret weapon. Armed with this info, I needed a plan. 0% tax doesn't happen by accident. It takes careful timing. I looked for a year when my income would be low, my sabbatical year. That year, my main job income would drop, giving me a window to realize long-term gains. I sat down with my accountant and projected my income for that year. We checked the tax brackets and found the threshold for 0% long-term capital gains. For example, in 2025, if your taxable income is under about $47,000 single filer, your long-term gains could be taxed at 0%. We calculated exactly how much crypto I could sell without crossing that line. It was like solving a puzzle, fit the gain into my income for the year. This level of planning put me in control. I wasn't just reacting to the market, I was making a strategic move. With a clear, legal plan, I was ready to cash in my crypto without a massive tax bill. The key: patience, precision, and sticking to the numbers. Anyone can do this with the right planning. Let's see how I put it into action. Here's what happened next. My sabbatical year arrived, and I stuck to my plan. Instead of chasing market highs, I focused on my tax strategy. I sold just enough crypto to stay under the 0% threshold. I made sure the coins I sold had been held for over a year. Every detail was documented: dates, amounts, prices. No guesswork, just careful execution. After the sale, I felt calm. No anxiety about a surprise tax bill. When tax season came, my accountant and I filed everything. Because my total taxable income stayed below the threshold, my crypto gain was taxed at 0%. It worked. $0 owed on my crypto profit. It was one of my most satisfying financial wins. The lesson: with planning and discipline, you can do this too. Don't leave it to chance. Make a plan and follow it. Let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. Even with a great plan, mistakes can cost you. First, poor record keeping is a killer. Track every buy, sell, and trade. Dates and prices matter. Second, don't mess up the holding period. 1 year and 1 day is the magic number for long-term gains. Third, don't forget about state taxes. Some states tax capital gains differently. Always check your local rules. Fourth, don't get greedy. Selling just a bit more could push you over the 0% threshold and trigger taxes. Stick to your plan, even if the market is tempting. Patience and discipline are your best friends. Set calendar reminders for key dates. Use tax software to stay organized. And always look at the full tax picture, federal and state. Avoid these pitfalls, and your strategy will work. Now let's get practical. Ready to apply this? Here are some quick tips. Use crypto tax software or a spreadsheet from day one. Don't wait until tax season. Plan ahead for low-income years. These are your zero tax windows. Make sure your crypto is held over a year before selling. Use specific identification to sell the coins you've held the longest. Tax software can help you pick the best ones. Always consult a tax professional. Everyone's situation is different. Laws and thresholds change, so get expert advice. Good planning and good records are your best tools. Stay organized, stay informed, and you'll maximize your gains. Take control of your crypto taxes. Don't let them control you. Let's wrap up. That's how I legally paid 0% tax on my crypto gains. No tricks, just smart planning. The rules are there for everyone. You just need to know how to use them. Keep learning and stay curious. Crypto and tax laws change all the time. Break big topics into small steps, and you'll master them. You have the power to take control of your financial future. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Tech Monetize Official for more tips. Join our community and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're here to make finance simple and fun. Thanks for watching and spending your time with me today. Be smart, be patient, and keep growing. Go make some brilliant financial moves. See you next time on Tech Monetize Official.